This is 25 yards away where I can zero rifles easily and also do a little pistol plinking. 25 yards is more than enough for shooting pistols. I can go 50 to 100 yards if I need to. I finally got my berm complete. This berm is going to be used for a shooting range. And let me show you what the whole berm structure looks like starting back over here. This is the front of the berm, and then directly behind it we have the initial pile of pine logs that were cleaned up by the tree service after Hurricane Ian. And then behind this, there's a natural berm that has been here for years. And this natural berm is about chest high when I'm standing in front of the berm. This berm is made up of pine trees that were downed after Hurricane Ian. I had the tree service pile them up here instead of taking them up front. It actually saved me money. It was my plan to create a shooting range. It's been 6 months since Hurricane Ian. I had plenty of time to finish it, but I didn't want to pay to have dirt hauled in and then piled up. So as luck would have it, my neighbor over here is starting to develop the land. The first thing he's doing is putting in a fence around the whole property. So he had to cut down the jungle here. There was a pile of debris from Hurricane Ian right in the fence line. So I told the crew that was doing the work, go ahead and just push it onto my side, that's fine. It's not a big deal, it's only a couple feet. Then a couple days later, when the crew was actually doing the work, they asked me, hey, do you mind if we just pile that debris on top of the logs that you already have over here? They knew that I wanted to put a shooting range here. So I was like, yeah, man, that sounds like a great idea. The guy gave me his card and said I could call him later to have the dirt piled on top. But to my surprise, not only did he put the debris here, he put enough dirt to make it a viable shooting range. So out of the complete devastation of my food forest and pine trees in my food forest from Hurricane Ian, I actually saved money by piling the logs here, and I got a brand new shooting range for free. I called it a do-it-yourself shooting range, but I didn't really do anything. It was just an idea, and I got lucky that the landowner was putting in a fence. He had to clear the jungle. Turned out great for him and for me.